I've got a really effective strength program for you today, just using a band. Yes, that's right, just a band. So it's amazing what these things can do. You can get a complete home workout of them. So today we're going for, as I said, strength, which means slow controlled movements, slowly down, a little bit faster when we come up, we're lifting the movements. So I'll just take you through them first. First of all, we have overhead squats, band here, squat back. That's one version, or if you've got the strength and stability, especially in the shoulders, we stand inside the band and come back that way. Next up, we have band pull-aparts, but in a lunge position. So what we're going to do is, from the side, that back knee is going to be just off the floor, and we're going to pull that band apart, there. So as we pull that band there across, we're working all our postural muscles. And then next up, we have push-ups. I really want to encourage you guys, if you can't do a full push-up yet, to do this version, which is nice strong hold, slowly down, chest to the floor, and then come back up. Use your knees to come back up. When you can do those nice and slow, controlled down, that's when you can do about 10 of those, you'll be able to do one push-up, I guarantee it. And then lastly, we have RDLs. Take your band, slip it under your feet. There we've got nice tension on the band. Then what we're going to do is shoot the hips back, feel the stretch in the hamstrings, and come up. If I look from the side, nice tall posture, hips back, feel it in the hamstrings there, and pop up. That's called an RDL, remaining deadlift, but it just works all those posterior chain muscles, which are really important, the ones that are overlooked by most people. So I've got my stopwatch here. We're going 30 seconds on each exercise. First exercise is the overhead squats. So I'm going to just show you the version where we just got the band over our heads. So 30 seconds, and let's go. Band overhead, squat it down nicely. That's a good start. So push the hips back, push the knees out, and let's get that nice pause at the bottom, just to work the mobility, get the hips nice and mobile. And it's also great for the shoulders, stability and mobility as well, keeping that band overhead slightly behind us. 5 seconds remaining. And that's our 30 seconds. 10 seconds off. Lunge position with the pull-aparts next. So I'll do this first one from the side. Drop down and let's go. Slowly back. So as we come back, squeeze our postural muscles, keep our posture nice and tight. Head in a nice neutral position. That's good. Faster back, feel the stretch, feel the muscles working at the back, slowly back. Hold, slowly back. We're into the last 10 seconds now. The legs might be feeling it yet, but keep going. This is where it counts. And finish there, 10 seconds off. We're going to change the legs now. So I'm leading now with my front foot. Show you from a different position. Ready? Drop down, let's go. Next 30. Good, so again, nice tight posture here. Nice and upright. So we're working our posture muscles here. We're working a nice isometric strength for the legs, holding that position. And we're keeping a good posture, working our core as well. Final 10 seconds. If your legs are burning like me, just keep going. We're going to say last couple, this is where it counts now, last 2. And finish there, brilliant work. 10 seconds off, push-ups. I'm going to show you the version where we're just lowering down to the floor. If you're strong enough, keep pushing up. Ready? Strong position, let's go down. Brilliant. So as slow as what I'm doing here, if you can't do the push-ups yet, this is going to build the strength for you. So in the future, you will be. Slowly down. Snake it up on your knees. Tuck the elbows in slightly. Good, we're into the last 10 seconds. Make sure your hips are the last thing to hit the floor there. Last one. Perfect, well done everyone. 10 seconds, we have the RDLs next. So that band's going to come under our feet. Make sure the band's pretty much in the middle. Stand up nice and tall. Set the posture, hips back. Stretch it. There. Slowly back, feel the stretch. And up. So just notice how flat my back is. And I'm always returning to that full posture at the top. We got 10 seconds, stretch it, feel it in the backs of the legs. Feel that stretch now, hips back. And we go one more. Brilliant. That's the first round done. So we're gonna have about 20-second break there. So we're back into the overhead squats for the second round. We're going 10 seconds. I'm now gonna do the version where I climb in the band. You can watch from the side and just notice how my hips go back. 2, 1, let's go. Hips back, good. So push the hips back, sit down, and up. So this squatting inside the band really works your postural muscles. I'm pretty challenged here to keep it nice and stable with the upper body. And I'm into the last few now. And I'm going to go for one more. I can't talk much while I'm straining. Well done. Back into our lunge position pull-aparts. 5-second break. Let's really get that postural muscles going now. Ready? Let's go. Put it apart. Good. Feel the strength once you come back here. See my head in a nice neutral position. I don't want it coming forward too much. There, keeping my shoulders back. Torso nice and upright. We have 10 seconds. So see if you can survive the last few repetitions. Keep the legs steady. Make them work. One more. And that's our time. Well done. We're going to switch legs this time. Now, if the legs are really burning towards the end of the set, it's okay to put the knee down. So ready, switch legs, let's go. So 30 seconds again of these. Pull that band apart. If it's getting quite tough for the upper back, hold the band a bit wider. Make it a bit easier for yourself. Good. And then if you're getting tired, drop down onto the knee. I'll let you decide if I'm getting tired or not. 5 seconds to go. Keep that good posture. Well done. Excellent work. Into the last exercise, the RDLs. Sorry, push-ups. I'm forgetting it. I'm getting delirious. I'm so tired. Ready? Push-ups. Let's go. So I'm now going for full push-ups. You go for whichever version you feel comfortable with. But if we're going for the full ones, if you're getting tired towards the end, just go shallower. You don't have to go as low. But as long as that core's nice and strong, keep the hips up. It means you're getting real good productive workout. Last couple, actually last one, that's our 30. 10-second break, RDLs. So again, tread on the band to make it tougher. Stand a bit wider so it's not as much band tension there. Ready? Let's go. Hips back. Good. Back, keep that back straight. Push the hips back. When you come up, squeeze your glutes, your backside muscles. The stronger you squeeze the glutes, the more it helps to protect the back. Squeeze. Drive those hips forward. But then at the top here, prepare for the punch. Just tighten the stomach. And we're going to go one more to finish off this section. And good posture to finish. Safely down. Well done. So that was the strength section. Next up, if you're carrying on your workout, go into a power section. Well done, you've done brilliant.